Mixed tag team rules here as we start off with Rhea Ripley and Damian Priest. Then across from them we see Liv Morgan and Dominik Mysterio.
Like with all mixed tag team matches, the male superstars will be competing against the male superstars, and the female superstars will be competing against the female superstars in this one.
And like with all scenarios, every female superstar in the building here tonight said they wouldn't want to tag with Saxton, even if he were the last man in WWE.
Oh, come on, that can't be true.
I heard it with my own 2 ears, Saxton.
Face first into their own boot.
And now she's climbing to the top turnbuckle. The top of the diving hammer strike. Oh, my! Oh, ouch. Nasty roundhouse kick. Heavy drop kick. We got it covered. And the shoulders up in time.
Still seems a little early.
One down. Lands face first. Oh, with authority. She's starting to look conservative.
A lot of energy left. Fresh target attack. She's in about as good a position as you can hope to be. Still.
Boom! Rhea Ripley can kill with a smile and wound with her eyes.
Ripley avoids the attack.
All on the apron, lifting it up into the ring. Bam! Suplex.
That is the kind of move that leaves our jaws on the floor. Unbelievable.
Oh, round and round we go.
Tilt-a-whirl head scissors.
Takedown. Bam! Oh, what a kick. I don't know if this is a show of confidence or a wasted opportunity to attack your opponent. Knockout punch. Oh, man.
Escape just in time.
Oh, look at the well-placed elbow right on the mark. Oh, stomping away. Stiff kick. Oh, my gosh, what impact. This match grinded him down a little. Oh. On the top, double axe handle connects.
Damian Priest showing no fear, no intimidation. Bruising attack to the stomach. Into the corner. This can't be good.
Running hip attack. What impact.
Look at Priest. I fear what he's thinking of right now.
The pin doesn't even last to a count of 1.
It is going to take a lot more to keep him down.
Roundhouse kick. He thinks he has it. Big kick out.
And frustration might be starting to set in.
These women have been chomping at the bit, and now they're about to throw down.
Running clothesline.
Up and down. What a slam. She avoids the contact. Ripley not backing down and letting her know it.
Wow, Ripley put a stop to that.
Brutal form.
Such a great example of confidence she's showing here.
Step up Enziguri. Blow to the back of the neck.
Oh, wicked kick to the lower back.
And she goes for the pin. She kicks out with authority.
Kicking out so early certainly sends a message.
Face buster. Shining Wizard. That's right, Corey. That was a Shining Wizard. Up and around. It took the world slam. Liv holds her off. She's showing signs of slowing down.
This is what the purpose of a tag team is. Don't be afraid to use the resources and help your partner offers. Am I being diplomatic enough, Cole?
Bang! Drop kick. Stomps to the legs. Morgan on the receiving end.
Hard impact in the corner.
Rhea getting everyone in attendance to rally behind her. It's amazing how strong Rhea Ripley is.
Rhea Ripley, electric chair, facebuster.
Little psychological warfare at play here from